there, my name is Abrar and welcome to AB's Security. Today's video is a special video which is based on Introduction to Cryptography and why do one needs to know about cryptography. Coming on to the basic definition of cryptography, it literally means secret writing. It is the combination of crypt, which means hidden or secret, and graphy means writing or study. So cryptography is actually the study of techniques which we can use to interact online with someone privately. Cryptography plays an astronomical role in our daily life. How is that so? Let me demonstrate you with an example. Think of all those activities you did online today. Have you ordered anything online? Have you chatted with your best friend? Have you sent an email? Scrolled Facebook or Instagram? That's for sure, I can bet. These are one of the most common things we do online every single day. Well, the question is that do you think while doing all these activities we are private? Do you think that the data we send while ordering online, such as our credit card information and phone numbers, must be kept private? Yes, of course. As a user of the internet, your data is the most important thing to be kept private. Considering the worst case, if our data is not private, we are highly likely to be the victims of identity theft and other malicious attacks. Identity theft is when someone gains access to your personal information and pretends to be you on the internet. A prime example is our phone numbers and emails are not kept much private online. Therefore, we do come across spam emails and spam phone messages. So how can we protect our data? This is what cybersecurity is all about, which I will be discussing in detail on my channel on a whole new level. Coming to the point, one way of protecting and keeping our data private is to use encryption. Encryption is a technique which is used to convert something meaningful into something which is a secret and makes no sense, particularly to someone it is not intended for. In computing world, we call this secret as ciphertext. The sender encrypts the important information and sends to the receiving side. Then the receiving side decrypts and gains access to the information. This encryption is a part of cryptography. There are two main features which cryptography provides. 1. Cryptography provides techniques to encrypt information and send it over the internet to the supposed party, and only that party can decrypt your information. This is also known as confidentiality. Secondly, cryptography provides digital signature. Digital signatures are used to check the origin of any data present online. For example, I have sent an email to my teacher to please extend the deadline of an assignment. My sent folder is full of such requesting emails. By using cryptographic methods, when I send the email, it gets my signature along with it, so that it's proof that I sent that email, and I cannot deny that I sent it. It's just like an electronic fingerprint. This is widely used in financial transactions. Now, let's discuss why we should learn cryptography. Firstly, if we talk about the internet, almost majority of the world's top million websites use cryptography to keep their users' data private. One must know how our data is being handled at the back end. Secondly, it is very important to know how encryption works and how to decrypt, and more importantly, which encryption mechanism to use in what conditions. Some are weak encryption algorithms which are breakable, and some are strong enough which have not been broken yet. I will be discussing each of them in my videos. Thirdly, how digital signatures work and how one can make sure that an online document is sent by this person. This type of work is done for authentication purposes and can be used in forensics too. And last, by learning cryptography, we can develop our own unique algorithms to secure any kind of data we want. For example, if we are making a phone application and we want to make it secure, we really need to know cryptography. So that's all about the introduction of cryptography. If you do like the video, please share it with your cyber enthusiast friends and consider subscribing my channel. And if you have any query, please post it down in the comment section and I'll make sure I answer that. Till then, have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.